Hello everyone, my name is Susan from SusanGotCoins.info. We are currently seeking online and offline promoters from January 7th through January 21st to work with our marketing team. Currently, we are helping find app users for an app called Dosh. Dosh is a local cashback and savings app which allows app users to get discounts and cash back by shopping at participating local retailers and restaurants, as well as online shopping portals. Now, Dosh works a little differently than other similar apps like this because users simply have to download the app, link a debit card, and when they shop at these local participating retailers or restaurants, they get cash back automatically deposited into their app. It's a cashback app without the hassle of scanning UPC codes, receipts, mail-in rebates, promo codes, or fumbling around in a store. It's really an app that makes getting cash back and savings super convenient. It's supported by over 100 different retailers that have discounts for everyone. And you can get discounts by booking your hotels online through the app. Our promotional details are as follows. The promotion will run from January 7th through January 21st, 2018. You'll receive $15 per active app user that you acquire, as well as $5 additional per user who redeems cash back for the first time. The requirements are pretty simple. You must be 18 years of age, you must be a USA resident, you must have an Android or iOS phone, and you must be an active app user. Your commissions are loaded into your app wallet 48 to 72 hours after acquiring a new app user, and you will need either PayPal or a checking or savings account needed for direct deposit. To get started, you're going to download, install, and register this app to your device using the link below this video. Step 2 is where you're going to link a debit card to become an active app user. You're going to qualify to get cash back and savings, as well as get $5 just for getting started. Now, if you like to use other cards to shop, you can link more cards. Then at that point, you'll get your promotional link, and you'll copy your link and start promoting to bring in other people. Your earning potential is determined by how many active app users you acquire during this promotion. Some promoters are making a couple $100, some are making several thousands of dollars. It all depends on how aggressive you are with this offer. But there are no restrictions on who you can refer: family, co-workers, friends, people you don't even know. You can easily promote this through social media posts, text messaging, offline marketing, and word of mouth. Now, this is great for anyone who may have spent a lot of money during the holidays to help you recoup what you spent, or anyone who just wants to make some extra income. Once again, to get started, step 1, you're going to click the link below, download, register, and install the app on your device. Step 2, to become an active user, you're going to link a debit card to your app, and then that's going to give you your first $5. Step 3, you're going to make $15 for every app user that you acquire, and that's going to be paid to your app wallet in 48 to 72 hours. And step 4, you're going to register for training for tips on getting referrals. Now, once again, this promotion ends on January the 21st at 11:59 p.m. and that's Pacific Standard Time. So get started as soon as possible. If you have any questions, just get back to us and we will respond as soon as possible. Take care and bye for now.